Hello and welcome to another Omni training video. In this training video we're going to be discussing how to protect folders. So basically you just go to protect up on the top bar, go to protect folders. Now these other two options here are much more specific. Protect files, for example, is if you want to track a specific file and its usage of how your users interact with it. But this requires you to copy paste some code to a specific file to actually be able to do that type of tracking. And for protect URLs, this is more for a dynamic environment, like if you're using Joomla or WordPress. But for WordPress, we have a whole separate plugin for that. We're going to show you that in a separate video. And basically it allows you to protect all your WordPress pages within OmniSecure without having to go to WordPress once the plugin is set up. So for now, we're going to do protect folders. We're going to come here. We're going to click on protect new folder. And as you can see from here, if I click on the open folder button here, it will be directly in my root folder, my public root folder of my web server. So for this test, I basically created a one-test folder. So let's say you wanted to protect a subdomain in this folder. You click here, and I would have other folders here, but right now I'll just have this folder. So I just go back up. So when I'm ready to choose the folder, I simply click the little lock icon here. And you'll see it adds the actual path for you right here. And then currently we only have one group, which is members. So we're just going to click on that. Have that basically means that this person must have the members group in their user account in order to access this page. So it's services, that's if you have services, that's for extra different ability to add other services in conjunction with groups. But for now we're just going to do the one group. And also the logout link is here for you at the bottom. So you just copy and paste this to your logout link on your website. And I'll show you where to change this. Basically it's under setup, configure main OSS, and you're going to see where you can basically put the logout URL location to go to your front page or thank you page or wherever you want it to go. So basically in this example what I did was first I had to go to my FTP and create this folder. So I just created an empty folder called one-test, and I put an index file in there with just this text on it. This is a test login page. So basically right now it's open, so if I click refresh, you see anyone can access this page. But if I go over here and I'm ready to protect it, I'm going to click add new folder. Now this folder is protected. So if I were to come back here and click refresh, now you can see that it is protected 100%. There's a login form here. Basically, in order to log in, I'm going to go back here. I'm going to manually create a user. So I'm going to users, accounts. I'm going to create a test user. So I'm going to click on create new account here. And in this case, I'm going to type in test, password test, email test@test.com. And then I'm going to select the default form, and forms we're going to get into in another video to show you how to do all these fields, custom fields and everything, and all these forms will be saved here that you can choose from. So now I'm going to put test first name, last name, email verified, and you have these other options here to be able to send the sign up email automatically, send verification email, and all these other things here. IP restrictions, we don't need any of that stuff for now. These are affiliate options, and we don't need any of that here. So we're just going to create user. So now this user is created. So now basically what we're going to do is we're going to click on this little icon right here that says groups. And then we're going to come down here, click on members, and add this to the members subscription. So now this is added. So we go back to the users list. You'll see this person here is now part of the members group. So if I go back to the login page, now I just type in test, sign in. Now you'll see this is a test login page. So this was just a quick example of showing you how folder protection works, how simple it is. And in later videos I'm going to show you how to do it again, like I said, the WordPress protection, and show you how to create these sign up forms in order to have users register and automatically come here, log in, or pay, then log in, and confirmation emails, everything totally automated. You will see in further videos. So I will see you in the next video.